Hello and welcome to ChatGenie. In this tutorial, we'll help you find your Xendit Business ID, vital for smooth transaction management, security, and integration. With it, you can track transactions, manage tasks, and resolve issues swiftly with Xendit's support. Let's get started. First, log into Xendit Dashboard. Go to Settings. Under your Business and Profile, click your profile. Find the Business ID and click Copy. With your Business ID, you can seamlessly track transactions, streamline administrative tasks, and promptly resolve any issues with Xendit's support team. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Stay updated by regularly visiting our website and following us at chatgenie.ph for the latest updates and discussions.